Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl AnekeAnnakay, and there is thunder and lightning outside. Okay, this is lightning within 5. If you're on a military base or you're a military member, you know what that is. Listen, it is what it is. But anyways, as you guys can see, bottle title, we are doing my budget with me for paycheck number 1. Not gonna lie, your girl is a little excited, a little happy, a little in the mood for the good vibes only. And I am going to be sharing my budget with y'all for this minimum wage paycheck. Girl, child, oh, Chile. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning. You, my love, are appreciated. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of YouTube universe with my mile a minute speed talking, okay? And if you do enjoy the content here, I hope you hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe. And subscribe to the channel because the energy, the vibes, the lifestyle is right, okay? So I think that's it. That's all. Yeah, let's get into this video. I ain't got nothing else. Let's get all up in my business, basically. Let go. We're going to October budget. We're going to paycheck 1, and we're getting it together. We're gonna have some fun. I don't know what it is about me singing this, but baby, can you put a bum 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 bum? Yeah, I don't know how much of this I'm gonna be keeping in here, but your girl is in a good mood. So, anyways, y'all, let's start. So, my paycheck number 1 for October, I'm getting a total of $1,753.31, and that is a total which I did not put in, child. Ooh, what in a Chile? Hello, somebody. Okay, $1,753.31. Anyways, so my fixed expenses, okay, as you guys can see, some are in black and some are in purple. Those that are in purple are not a part of my minimum wage budget, meaning if your girl had to be on a minimum wage lifestyle, these will not be included, okay? Tithes will most likely come out of my allowance because it's what I could afford, and your minimum is what you gave the most, and you gave it from the heart, and that is more appreciated. Let me not say that. That sounds really disrespectful to people that just be given on a regular basis. You know what? Give from the heart. That's what we need to say. So my purple people would not normally be on my budget if I had a minimum wage. However, what I refuse to do is not budget my entire paycheck. I'm a budgeter, baby, okay? Point blank and period. So the entire thing is budgeted, but everything in black would be a part of my minimum wage, and that is what I will be living off of for this paycheck. So my tithes is $176 for this paycheck, and like I said, it's in purple, so it wouldn't have been there. Rent is still $800. Emergency fund, we would have cut her out. My dad in Jamaica loves him, I really do, but we'd have to cut him out. Life be lifing, and I just couldn't afford him if that was the life I was living as a minimum wage employee, worker, whatever it is. So he would have had to get cut, you know. I'm sorry. Have you seen the Squid Games? It's dangerous. I haven't seen it, but I've seen the memes. This lifestyle is not for everybody. Next is insurance. I got to pay what I got to pay, okay? Which is $120.90. My phone bill is $44.56 on a regular. It might switch up, we don't know. Apple Music is $14.99. USA is $5. And y'all know I don't like these cents. Well, that's a lie. I'm doing 86 cents, so I can take this 31 cents away and put it to good use and pay down this credit card, whichever debt want to be gone. That's basically it. Next is my variable expenses, which these girls are the ones that will be coming from the cash envelopes and get used on the regular. So my groceries, $75. This is what I've been using pre-minimum wage budget, and it's been working. I will say that it's been working. I have used some of the coinage to buy some extra stuff, some regular stuff, but you know, that's okay. That's okay. So $75 for groceries. Fuel is $35 because I tried the $50 per month and it just did not work. Allowance is down to $20. Baby, I'm a grown adult. at times, at certain times. Okay, pause because I don't want to be adult for these bills. But at sometimes I'm a grown adult, okay, but I'm giving myself $20 because that's all I could afford. So I just want to know if you're a minimum wage like worker, or that is like your cost per hour or something. I just want to get your input. Even if you're not, what is your input on like minimum wage workers? Like, leave it in the comment box below, because I can't see, like, y'all, it is rough. I did this budget and I was just like, but where the rest of it though? It is rough. It is rough. And I don't know, in these, like, you know, post-pandemic, food prices is too damn expensive, like all those situations, I don't see how they live and survive and all that, but they are. So round of applause to them peoples. So my allowance for these 2 weeks is $20. Say a prayer. I'ma need it. Crown is $15. Household is $5. Toiletries is $3. Your girl really don't need nothing for the house and the toiletries. She all stocked up, because you know I buy my stuff in 6 months supplies. We don't play them games. And yeah, I cut my hair recently. Your girl might have to cut it again in November, you know, get cute for Thanksgiving. Hello somebody. But it is what it is. Clothing is getting nothing. I just can't afford it. Not because I don't like her. I've been ain't liking her since September. Was it August? Girl, child, one of the months. But you know what? I just don't have a need. That's really what it comes down to. I just don't have a need. And if you don't need it, girl, don't fork out the money, because we couldn't afford this anyway. Supporting a friend, I would be supporting you from afar. From allowance or from afar. Support a friend. Listen, the luxuries of having a job that pays like a decent amount, I'm not gonna say that they pay the best, you know. I would like to stay home, do nothing, get paid, but we can have hopes and dreams. Call me, you know, Dr. King, whatever. But yeah, YouTube, yeah, supporting a friend would not get in any coins. YouTube is getting $5. That's because I like y'all, but on the regular, if we gonna be real, for real, y'all wouldn't have got nothing. Going out, where? Listen, staying in my house would be a regular. Going out, where? I can't afford outside. Where? Probably like YouTube $5 would go into going out. Yeah, and that would probably be the most things that would be happening. Yeah. Business getting $5 because, baby, even in a pandemic, if you got goals, listen, save for them. So business is still getting $5 and miscellaneous is getting $2. That comes up to $165 in total budgeted for my cash envelopes. And a boom, bada, and a bang. Next, we're going to move on to my sinking funds, which is short and sweet. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. This $26 was really all that was left over. It really was. But with these sinking funds, I thought they were important. I thought they were necessary. And so I put some money towards them. My home, I put $5 towards it because life be lifing. Okay? Life be lifing. And I don't care. You got to get ready or stay ready for some stuff. It just is what it is. Travel on a regular basis would not have gotten any money because I would have ran out of money by this time. Yes, I would. After doing car maintenance for $10, I wouldn't have anything for travel. Matter of fact, on a minimum wage budget, this is only $15. It really is. Only $15 towards sinking funds. But because I'm working off of my actual paycheck, and I told y'all, we gonna budget my budget. We gonna budget my pay. So $10 is actually gonna get put into travel. Car maintenance, like I said, get $10 because who's gonna be stranded? I don't care. Who gonna be stranded? Not me. This oil gonna be changed. These tires gonna be rotated, whatever they need to do, okay? And I'm talking because I can actually like afford it because I'm in the position to, but I do understand, child. This $10 gets you your oil change and do whatever else you need to do, because that would be about it. It's real rough in these streets. And then last but not least, Christmas bills. I had $1. I really had $1, and so I just gave it to Christmas bills because that's what I do. I give leftover coins to Christmas bills anyways. Yeah, I had an extra $1 that is within my regular budget, so I gave it to Christmas bills. And that brought me up to a whopping beautiful, my age, 26. I didn't even realize that. This is my age, $26. And that's how much I put in my sinking funds. But you know what I did? Put some coins in there. You know what I did? I put $1. You know what I did? I put $5. You know what I did? I put $10. My point being, okay, no matter how small you start, you can start. No matter how much or little you are putting in, as long as you're putting something, you are doing the damn thing, okay? So budgeting, you might see these big budget here on this YouTube channel or on other YouTube channel. Child, we all had to start somewhere. We all was in debt. We all was going through it. We all was learning how to manage this money. Girl, sir, get us together. So when you do my overview of my paycheck, my income was $1,753.31. My fixed expenses, which was these bills, okay, is $1,562.31. Basically took my paycheck. Like, what is surviving for the next 2 weeks at home? Variable expenses is $165, and my sinking funds, which is under expenses, is $26. And that's how we're gonna close it out, because you know what? I budgeted this bitch. As little bit or as much as certain areas as some of them got, I did the damn thing. And we gonna continue to press on to move forward and finesse, work, and meet our goal of living minimum wage. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, a friend, or a foe, because even your enemies need a blessing, okay? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And what else, girl? Ooh, enter the Halloween giveaway, because it ends on I think it's Saturday, girl. I don't know, it ends on the 8th, so make sure you guys enter. Fall into Fall October Saving Challenge by my girl Money with Gab, linked down below, baby. Get you your life. It's $5. Child, get out of one of these cash envelopes or something. Save it, girl. Do what you need to do, but the link will be down in the description box below. Remember, budgeting is ghetto, okay? I don't know who would love or lie to you to say that they love it. Some people do, child. But I'm an adult. That's part of the reason why I like budgeting. And I like to know where my money goes. That's the second reason I like budgeting. But budgeting is ghetto. On the real. On the regular. Sunday through Saturday. It is ghetto. But it is real, okay? It tells you that your underwear is black when you thought it was white. Oh, damn. My bad. I just told you the truth. So yeah, it's ghetto, but it's real, and I'll keep it real, sis, okay? So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl AnekeAnnakay, and I will talk to you in another one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk.